Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to publish your project in Replit and deploy it. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Replit.com tutorials. Open your Replit project and open the website you just created. You'll find the Publish button here at the top right corner. Click on it. And for the domain name, this is Replit custom domain name. You must have a Replit paid subscription to customize your domain name. And for the accessing your app, choose public to make anyone access your app. You can choose also password protected or invitation only website, but here you can choose public and click on publish. And Reply.com will provide you with the URL of your website here. Is doing some revision and security scan, building the app and promotion, so this is pretty much it guys. If you don't forget to like and subscribe.